everyone, and today is 4th of July. Quiet. And today we are literally watching fireworks. This is so cool, guys. Hope you like 4th of July. Please sub to me or Danny. It will really help us. And I really want to play this. Or not play this, but I don't know what I'm saying. I was just thinking of a game when I get an Apple computer. So yeah. So where are the fireworks? I did the fireworks though. But right now I'm going to my house to see some fireworks. So yeah. I just saw one. Fireworks! Guys, do you like these fireworks? Do you like these? They're really cool light, right? When I get home, I'm not thinking of making like a real video. I just wanted to tell you. I just wanted to show you guys this. So yeah. Hope you have a good 4th of July. But I'm not ending it yet. The Doge even came. Doge. It's the Doge. The Doge. I don't want to sit. I want to film. Guys, how cool is this? How cool is this, guys? How cool is it? I'll end it when I get home. Okay? So this is probably gonna be a while. What is that giant one? No, like those explodey ones. This is so amazing. Oh, actually, guys, I do have a plan when I get home. Whoa. Guys, this is so cool. Remember, donate to Team Seas and Team Trees.
You want to get closer so the trees aren't in the way?
How much money should we donate to Team Trees and Seas? Remember to support famous YouTubers by donating to Team Seas. Because every dollar is one trash out of the ocean without you having to risk your life. Plane! Plane! Annoying. Get ready to film. I'm filming already. Where am I going, by the way?
Going where?
Home.
Don't you want to watch the show?
Yeah. I'm gonna film those fireworks. Okay. I go and see that annoyingness. What?
Missiles?
Whistlers. Ready, fireworks? It's not like there's gonna be any cars that come and run me over. Oh, I got it just in time. Firework! Since it's the 4th of July, I think that this is a good time to play Bloxburg and set off some fireworks. Okay? Right now I'm watching fireworks. Hey, why do I need to see them in real life when I can see them in Bloxburg? Hi. Why do I have to see them in real life when I can see them in Bloxburg? Such amazing. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Bye. Never mind, there's more fireworks. Now let me go home and get ended, okay?
I might be gone for like a half an hour.
Let me just go now. Okay, bye guys. See you a little bit.
Better